Okay, me and Katie come down to check the water. It's gone up some from this morning. Quite a bit, really, from when I first come down. But I think it's starting to steady off. It's about 1:30. I don't know if it'll be down in time to go to work in the morning or not. It ain't looking good. No.
Why, please?
See how far you can go before it gets too deep. Katie's getting brave. I hope the culvert didn't wash out. She'll go under.
Huh?
I'll have to save her.
Now look at the fence. Oh, it's getting deep. It's almost going deep.
Mom's gonna be mad.
Why?
She's afraid you get washed away.
No. But I could have went to that fish if you would have told me.
There's a car way over there.
Huh?
Come to see the water. See it way over there.
Can I try to reach the fence?
I'd rather you wouldn't.
Why?
Oh, honey.
Why not?
Over there where that car is at is where I need to get. But they even say that out on Route 1, the roads are closed, so it wouldn't do me much good.
Not that the insects have gone out of this water, isn't it?
Yep.
Why is most of the insects out?
Because they don't want to drown. Stay toward the middle.
What?
Stay toward the middle
Why?
so you don't fall over in the ditch.
Right here in the middle?
Yeah.
Why would anybody come through here in a car? That's why we drown.
Yeah, it gets real deep out there in the middle. Okay, it's far enough.
Huh?
Far enough.